because I love technology, and this competition is way to connect technology, learning and research.
One of the reasons is that we could earn a CREST award, which could later on help us get in UK universities.
The reason why I would like our students to take part in this competition is because I want them to engage in combining real life and technology, which I think they don't do enough at school. And it's an interesting project.
If I thought we couldn't win, I wouldn't have applied.
I think we could win because we live in a place where there are a lot of endangered animal species, so we have experiences with projects like this.
I think my students can win because they have surprised me many a time, and they have shown creativity and ingenuity in solving problems. And I expect them to end up going to London and presenting their project, definitely. I believe in my students.
Yes, I think animal conservation is important because we should do everything we can to preserve a different animal species for future generations.
So I strongly believe that if we don't do something to protect the animals, whatever controls the universe will not protect us. It's kind of like a karma thing. So that's why I think this project is important.